Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I've got a new range hood, and it's time to unbox it. So let's get cracking. First things first, loving the protective corners. See if we can cut through the tape and see just how well this is packed. We have got a installation manual and the remote. And then the rest is the range hood and the protective styrofoam. Friends, this is the IKTCH gesture sensing range hood. Of course, friends, before you get started, make sure you grab the installation guide and user manual. There are all kinds of tips in here that are going to make you more successful as you install your range hood. So friends, the first thing I'd like to mention about the range hood is I love this black tempered glass. I think that look is fantastic. And then of course the next thing I want to share is the gesture sensing. As we slide across, power's on, max power. If we slide back, notice I turned on the lights and we dimmed the power. Now if I go across, it increases one level at a time. How cool is that? Totally control your range hood without ever having to put fingerprints on that sweet tempered glass. The range hood also comes with a nifty remote control. Do make sure you take out the piece of paper, replace your battery, and then that will be in working order. Bingo, there you can see the lights going off. And then of course, you could also increase your fan by hitting the plus, just like that. Do want to notice how quiet it is when it is low mode. Do notice how easy it is to hit your plus and minus to adjust the fan with the remote. Friends, the final feature I want to mention is the timer. I'm going to turn on the fan, get it down to the lowest number, and then if we hit the timer, you can see bingo, it is currently set to run for 3 minutes. If I hit timer again, I can reset that, and this time I'm going to switch to 9. Notice it was just clicking that. Once again, if I hit timer again, it'll reset. This time timer 6, boom. You can switch between how long you want the fan on your range hood to continue running. Alright everybody, so there you have it. Simple steps to control your IKTCH gesture sensing range hood. Of course also, how to use that remote control. Friends, of course, if you found this video useful, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, if you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.